Hey Coogs, I'm Layla, and welcome back to your weekly episode of In the Loop. Now let's go ahead and see what this Thanksgiving week has in store for you all. Monday, you can make your own cake pop with UH Foodie. Follow at UH Foodie to sign up for your DIY cake pop kit. You can click the link in their bio to reserve your free kit and then tune in for a short clip on how to make your very own cake in a mug. More details will be provided in the sign-up link. Tuesday morning, enjoy a cup of hot chocolate while chatting with International Student and Scholar Services Office staff and also taking care of your travel endorsements if needed. In the Student Center North, room 203 from 9 a.m. to noon. Wednesday, head to the Campus Rec Multipurpose Room 1 to join in on a lower body pump. This class will strengthen your quads, thighs, and glutes and help you leave with the ultimate pump. Thursday is Thanksgiving. Moody Towers will be putting an interesting spin on this holiday meal by taking traditional dishes and making them fast, casual friendly. Bring a friend and enjoy the many non-traditional offerings Moody will be serving for Thanksgiving from 11 a.m. to 4:30. Here are some reminders before we go. Thanksgiving break begins Wednesday, November 24th until Saturday, November 27th. The Campus Rec and Student Health Center will be closed Thursday and Friday all day. For all of my fellow Coogs that will be staying on campus throughout this whole holiday break, follow us on all social medias at UH Housing to stay updated. That's all we have for this week, Coogs. I'm Layla, and I hope you all have a fun and exciting Thanksgiving break, and I will see you guys next time.